Hare Krishna. Just as a creeper seeks shelter of a tree, the living entities, being Prakriti, they are always shelter seeking. They are looking for who is capable of awarding me shelter. Just like a young marriageable age girl, she always dreams about a good husband, one who will be pure in character, one who earns well, one who will protect her well, one who will be gentle in behavior, and one who can continue to support her all her life, and one who is famous, one who is celebrated as a leader or master. So you will see in the same manner, the Jiva also is thinking, who is the person I can take shelter of? So all of us are wandering in this world in want of a good shelter, Prabhupada is saying. Therefore people desire Ram Rajya, he says, because people want to be peaceful, happy, and eternally live in that situation. Therefore, Uddhava says in the Uddhava Gita, Tasmad bhavantam anavadyam anantaparam sarvagyamishwaram akunta vikunta dishnyam nirvinnadi ragamughe vrijanapi tapto narayanam narasakam sharanam prapadye. He is telling, my dear Lord Krishna, you are the only one worthy for the jivas to take shelter. Why? He says, you are anavadyam, you are spotlessly pure in character. Anavadyam, ananta param. He is saying your powers and your opulences are everlastingly inexhaustible. And you have no limit. You can go to Yamaloka and bring Guru's son back. You can go to Mahavishnu Loka and bring the 4 sons of Brahmana back. You can go to Varuna Loka and bring your father Nanda Baba back. Where is the limitation for you? Nothing is impossible for you. And you are also Sarvajñam. You are all-knowing. And you are also existing at all times. In the past, in the present, and future. You existed before the creation of the universes. You exist and support the living beings during the current times. And even after the universe is finished, destroyed, you will continue to exist. You are always present. Therefore, you are Anantaparam. And you reside in an abode where misery cannot enter. That is everlastingly happy, blissful abode. So considering all these factors, which jiva will not take shelter of you? Like that he is saying. And Kaviraj Goswami in the Chaitanya Charitamrita also says, he says, Bhakta Vatsala Kritagnya Samartavadanya. He's saying if one knows the 4 qualities of Krishna, one will never leave the lotus feet of Krishna. He's saying Krishna is Bhakta Vatsal. He always cleanses the impurities of the devotees and makes their heart shine purely like a diamond. He also, Kritagnya, he is always grateful even for the little service rendered. And he is Samartha, means he is filled with all 6 opulences in oceanic proportion. He can give anything to any devotee he wishes. And he is also very magnanimous, Vadanya. So, having understood these things, the jiva, having developed a firm faith in Krishna's capabilities, will definitely approach him. The Lord and the jiva both are connected through sound vibration. The jiva responds to Lord's sound and Lord responds to jiva's sound. How? For example, if a child is calling, kwa, 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 immediately mother responds, isn't it? And the mother is telling a child, beta, don't go out, then the child will not go out. Because he knows mother doesn't want me to go out without her permission. Similarly, the Lord is telling in the scriptures what the jiva should do. Like in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord is telling, Man manabaha mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru sarvadharman parityajya. Many instructions the Lord is giving. Many assurances the Lord is giving. Yoga kshemam bahamyaham kaunteya pradijanihi name bhakta pranashyati. Like that he says, Dadami buddhi yogam tam. I will give the buddhi to come back to me if you chant my names. Similarly, the Lord is also saying, I am always with you, Arjun. Matchitta, Sarva Durgani, Mat Prasadat Tarishyasi. By my mercy, you can easily cross over this material existence if you simply call my names and remember me. So Krishna has given many, many assurances. Krishna has given many, many instructions. Krishna also has expressed his affection for Arjuna and the living entities. Ishtosime, Dridamiti, Vidam Bakshamite, Hitam, Bhaktosime, Sakacheti. So Lord has expressed his affection, he has given his instructions, he has given his assurances. So any living entity who faithfully, sincerely hears this information, sound vibration from the Gita, will develop feelings for the Lord. And such a Jiva will chant the holy name and call the Lord, and the call will be answered. It is said, tap the door, it shall be open. Call the Lord and he will respond. Prayers go up, blessings come down, it is said. So how does the Jiva produce a sound vibration to connect with the Lord? That is the holy name. So we respond to Lord's sound and the Lord responds to our sound. Whether it is sound of Gajendra or Draupadi or Ajamila or any of the Jivas. So a hungry child can attract the attention of the mother by producing a sound. Similarly, we are also given the opportunity to call out the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So it's a call for the Lord, drawing his attention towards us who are in a fallen position. And we are Prakriti and the Lord is Purusha. Now, Prakriti means female, Purusha means male. So the Jiva is a dependent personality. Lord is independent personality. Lord is Swatantra, we are Paratantra. Lord is predominator, we are predominated. Lord is master, we are servant. Lord is supremely capable of everything and we depend on him for everything. Just like the sunlight cannot exist without the sun. So understanding our situation and Lord's situation, just like a girl is protected and sheltered by a husband, similarly Lord is called Satvatam Pati. Satvatam Pati means he is a husband of the devotees, which means all the millions and millions of jivas roaming in this world, seeking after shelter and happiness. They can find a very firm, stable, safe, protective, everlasting shelter in Krishna's lotus feet by calling out the holy name and faithfully accepting the scriptures and following them in their life. This is a very simple, easy, safe, and the ultimate path of Bhakti Yoga, where Acharyas like Srila Prabhupada coming in the disciplic line have taught us, if we take this call of the Lord seriously, then Lord also will take our call seriously and perfection can be easily attained. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha ananta koti vaishnava vrindaki Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki